Hi, so for this video, I'm going to teach you how to use your spa machine for your neck and also for your face. So first off, what you're going to need is your spa machine, your body shaping gel, right? And I've taken 1 square of toilet paper and I've wet it. So we're going to use that for this machine. First of all, to put the head in, there's only a right way of putting the head in. If it feels like it's not going in properly, it's the wrong way. So you try the other way, and it should just clip right in there. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the wet toilet paper, put it on the back where the conductor is, and then you're gonna hold it like this. So the reason why we do that is to keep our hand wet and also to keep it conducting with the machine. The Galvanic spa machine has a microelectric current. So what it does, it calibrates the intensity of it based on your body and your face. So let's begin. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take your gel, and while the machine is still turned off, you're gonna take the gel, and I put about this amount of gel. I put it here, side of my face. Also in the neck. So what I'm going to teach you today is not only how to use it for the base, but also how to drain your lymphatic system. So if you have some colds or you feel like you're getting sick, this is really, really helpful. So I'm going to spread the gel, right? Make sure you have enough so that you can actually see it and that the machine glides. If you don't have enough, you might feel a little bit of the electricity, and also it's not going to work very well, not only for anti-aging, but also for just functioning. So what we're going to do is turn the machine on to the setting of, you turn it on and you keep pressing it until you get to the number 4. And you're going to start here, and you're going to hear a beep. That beep means that it's conducting with your skin, and that's a good beep. So you want to make sure the whole time that you're doing this, that it is continually beeping. So you might have, if you have a cold, you're probably going to be sore around here. You're going to take this part, and you're going to also do this side at the back of your ear. And you're going to use the point to press down on here. Not too hard, just enough. A little bit of pressure. And you're going to come down into your neck. You might have some soreness here, right? And that kind of soreness, and this is a way of draining our lymphatic system. And the reason for that is so that we can sleep better. And also by doing the neck, it already starts working on your face, and it starts to already lift your face. So make sure that your machine is always in contact with your face and your body, because if you pull it out, then it has to recalibrate. So make sure it's consistently touching your skin. And the move up is slightly more pressure than the move down because of gravity. And if you have any double chin, this is a good time also to work on the double chin, right? And you're gonna feel probably some soreness here. So just keep working on this area. The gel also has a negative charge, and the number 4 setting is also a negative charge. What that does is it actually pushes the gel inside your body and removes the toxins. So it's not uncommon that when I work on this side of my face, that, you know, it lifts already, and your face will be uneven until you work on the other side. So can you hear that beeping? That's a good beep. It tells you that it's working properly. And if you will have some soreness here, you could just take a bit of time and just, it's going to feel so good after. And if you have any neck pain from sleeping, this is a really, really good way of getting rid of that pain. Sometimes you have a kink in your neck and you're stuck with that kink for days. Well, you don't have to anymore. Okay, now I'm going to move towards my jawline. Yeah, I'm using this dent right here to kind of go over the jawline. I'm using this not only for health reasons, like if you are a type of person who keeps chewing on while they're sleeping, this is really good for you. But also it makes your jawline more prominent if you want to do that, or makes your face slimmer. I can tell now that I have something here. It's not as smooth. So as I keep doing this, I'll just get better and better. I feel like it's not as smooth. There's a little bump here. And now that I have a line here, I can stay here. And just hold it here for a few seconds. And you always want to lift up. The whole thing, the number 4 setting is 5 minutes. So every side of your face should be 5 minutes. And it'll just turn off after it's done. Right here where I have these laughing lines that I inherited from my dad, no problem. I just stay here and spend more time here. But that was 5 minutes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push it back on until it hits number 4 again for another 5 minutes. And if you have any headaches, you use the tip to just massage your temples right here. You don't have to get too close. If you have eye bags or dark circles under your eyes, you can work on it here, but you don't have to get too close because that skin right there is actually very thin. So we just go right underneath it and it'll still work. The great thing about this, once you get used to it, you don't have to be even in front of the mirror. You can do it while watching TV, reading the newspaper, or whatever else you want to do. And you can use it right here on your third eye. You can iron out your wrinkles by going up and down. Okay. I'm just going to go back down to my neck because I'm still feeling a bit sore. And also my chin. And you will notice over time how less puffy your face is going to be, and also how slimmer your neck is going to be, and also the lines and wrinkles here. The gel smells really good too. There's a lot of nutrition in this gel. It's really good for your skin. I like to also do this right here to give myself a little bit more chin. Like I said, this one is for slimming the face and also defining your jawline and correcting any problems with your jaw from not sleeping well or, you know, just gnawing your teeth at night. Oh, I love this part for the muscles right here. Sometimes we just over project from looking at the computer. Going back to the forehead and doing those lines. Like I said, the upward motion is more pressure than the downward one. Hi, Layla. That's my dog, Layla. So the Galvanic system is the same technology that they use in spas, except in the spas, they have a bigger machine and it's not self-calibrating, so they need an esthetician to do it for you. So that was the last beep, and then you can just turn it off until it goes dark like this. So as you can see, my face is already kind of uneven. This is already smaller on this side, and my eyebrows are already lifted on this side as well. So the next step is just to do the other side of your face and your neck. And after you're done, you can either wash it off with water, or you can just take a washcloth, a wet washcloth, and wipe it off. Even if you have a little bit of the gel still left on your face, it's actually good because it moisturizes your face. So that's it. That's how to use the Galvanic spa machine for your neck and also your face. And thank you very much for watching the video.